and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. Today is a Tuesday at the recording of this video, which means it is a new Happy Meal day at McDonald's. So I went there to McDonald's. We have a new Happy Meal. The box is rather plain because the new Happy Meal toy now from McDonald's is actually supposed to be like miniature McDonald's Happy Meals. They've got a little game there on the side. How many smiles can you find there at the McDonald's? So let's check this out. See what it's going to be like. Now look at this. I have a Happy Meal within my Happy Meal. It's a miniature Happy Meal that was within Happy Meal. Got a card here. Lil McDonald's shows you the different things they have. They have the food option ones, play, which includes like boo buckets and a toy display, cooking, so burgers and burger grills, fryers, drink dispensers, booths, orders, a drive-through, and outdoor. They got the signs, the restaurant, and the truck. Give you a close-up of that right there. So Lil McDonald's. Well, let's see what our Lil McDonald's item is. It is a tray of French fries. That's what we have here. For our Lil McDonald's, we have a tray of French fries. Lil McDonald's, tray of French fries. Then we have our Happy Meal toy, our Happy Meal within our Happy Meal, our Lil McDonald's, is a tray of French fries. I don't know how long this promotion, this Happy Meal promotion is going on, but it's kind of cool. Got little miniature McDonald's. I wish could have got a sign or a grill or something like that, but it's a tray of French fries. Lil McDonald's. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. I thank you for watching. If you liked this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. And if there's some video you'd like to see me do, leave a comment in the comment section. Once again, thank you. And until next time, that's a wrap.